When you think of luxury SUVs, the Porsche Cayenne is undoubtedly one of the first names that come to mind. Known for blending exceptional performance with refined luxury, the latest generation of the Cayenne is already considered the best iteration of this SUV to date. However, for those who believe that even perfection can be improved upon, TechArt has just revealed the Cayenne Magnum, an extreme performance upgrade that's not for the faint-hearted. This heavily modified version of the Cayenne takes everything Porsche did right and cranks it up several notches. Available for all Cayenne variants, the Magnum kit is packed with high-performance modifications and styling upgrades, many of which feature the use of carbon fiber. The result is a visually stunning SUV that delivers an even more thrilling driving experience. The transformation begins at the front of the vehicle, where the standard bumper and grille are replaced with a completely new carbon fiber bumper. Black elements and optional body-colored aeroblades make the Magnum look even more menacing, further adding to its aggressive stance. TechArt didn't stop there, they've also added a bespoke hood with two large vents, which not only enhances the SUV's performance capabilities by allowing better airflow but also adds to the overall aesthetics. The sides of the Magnum are equally impressive, featuring flared wheel arches that provide a more muscular appearance. The new side skirts contribute to the car's sleek and aggressive silhouette, while the 21-inch wheels, with a mix of black, silver, and carbon fiber accents, give it a striking and modern look. Even the wing mirrors have been upgraded to match the overall dynamic design of the vehicle. TechArt offers several variants of the Magnum package, including the standard, sport, unique, and first edition models. The rear of the standard version features a traditional carbon fiber diffuser with quad tailpipes, giving it a sharp and powerful look. However, the sport version goes a step further with a more aggressive diffuser and centrally mounted tailpipes, a styling cue borrowed from the high-performance Cayenne Turbo GT. Both versions come equipped with a carbon roof spoiler and a small lip spoiler, adding to the aerodynamic prowess of the vehicle. For those looking for the ultimate level of customization, the unique package is where the Cayenne Magnum truly shines. Customers opting for the unique version can tailor the vehicle to their exact specifications, including custom carbon fiber parts and interior trims. However, the crown jewel of this lineup is the first edition, which will be limited to only 25 units. This special version features individually numbered front wheel arches and a bespoke interior, making it the rarest and most exclusive version of the Magnum. While the aesthetics are jaw-dropping, the Magnum's power upgrades are where things get truly exciting. For those who select the Turbo GT variant as the base, TechArt has managed to extract an astounding 930 horsepower and 811 lb-ft of torque from the twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This added power transforms the Cayenne Magnum into a performance beast, capable of accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. With a top speed of 205 miles per hour, this SUV can easily outrun most sports cars on the road, proving that the Cayenne Magnum is not just a pretty face, it's a force to be reckoned with. The combination of bold styling, top-tier performance, and bespoke customization options makes the TechArt Cayenne Magnum a dream vehicle for anyone who wants the ultimate luxury SUV with the power and performance to back it up. Whether you're cruising through the streets or taking on the track, this beast is sure to deliver an unforgettable driving experience.